Denroy Morgan, the pioneer of reggae fusion. Denroy Morgan, a trailblazing reggae artist and patriarch of the esteemed Morgan heritage family, carved a distinctive niche in the global music landscape. Born on May 15, 1946, in May Pen, Clarendon, Jamaica, Morgan's career journeyed through reggae, funk, and pop, leaving an indelible mark on the evolution of modern music. His influence extends beyond his recordings, as he also laid the groundwork for a musical dynasty that has brought Jamaican music to the world stage. Music career. Denroy Morgan's passion for music took root during his youth in Jamaica, where he was immersed in the rich traditions of ska and reggae. In the 1960s, he migrated to the United States, settling in New York City, a move that expanded his artistic horizons. His career took a significant leap forward in the late 1970s and early 1980s when he fused reggae with elements of R&B, funk, and pop, creating a unique sound that resonated with diverse audiences. In 1981, Morgan achieved mainstream success with the release of I'll Do Anything For You, a chart-topping hit that reached audiences far beyond the reggae community. The song, blending infectious grooves and heartfelt lyrics, became a crossover sensation, earning him a loyal fanbase and solidifying his reputation as a pioneer of reggae fusion. His album of the same name further showcased his ability to seamlessly integrate genres, influencing both reggae purists and broader musical audiences. Throughout his career, Morgan continued to release music that bridged cultural and generational gaps. His innovative approach paved the way for reggae's incorporation into mainstream music, inspiring artists who sought to explore the genre's versatility. Lifestyle and faith. Denroy Morgan's Rastafarian faith was a cornerstone of his life and music. Deeply spiritual, he used his art to spread messages of love, unity, and consciousness. His commitment to Rastafari and his cultural heritage was evident in his lyrics and his lifestyle, which emphasized simplicity, mindfulness, and a deep connection to his Jamaican roots. Morgan was also a devoted family man, raising 30 children, many of whom followed in his musical footsteps. His children formed the Grammy-winning reggae band Morgan Heritage, widely regarded as one of the most influential reggae groups of their generation. Morgan's role as a mentor and inspiration to his family ensured that his legacy would endure through their contributions to music. Net worth and legacy. At the time of his passing on March 3, 2022, Denroy Morgan's net worth was estimated at approximately $2 million, a testament to his enduring impact as a recording artist and cultural figure. His contributions to music transcended financial metrics, as his innovative spirit and dedication to his craft continue to inspire artists worldwide. Denroy Morgan's legacy is a testament to his groundbreaking artistry and his commitment to uplifting reggae music on a global scale. As both a solo artist and the patriarch of a musical dynasty, he bridged cultural divides and expanded the reach of Jamaican music. His influence lives on, celebrated by fans and artists alike who honor his contributions to reggae and his vision for unity through music.